Hi, this is Damon with Handbuilt. Today we're going to go through the process of creating a door board. A door board is used for cutting down doors and anything you want to get a straight cut on, such as a stair tread or a stair riser. You can also make a full-size door board that's 8 foot long to cut down full sheets of plywood, and these come in really handy if you don't have a table saw. I'll show you the process of making one today, and then you can make one yourself. So at the beginning of the video you saw how the door board works. Basically you have a straight edge for the circular saw to follow like a track. It works kind of like a track saw. You line the edge up with your cut line and then you go ahead and cut. If you clamp down your guide, you will come out with a very straight cut and you'll know exactly where your blade's going to cut. The first thing I do whenever I'm making my door boards is I go through my scrap pile and make sure I have the right length that I'm going to need. Also, you're going to need a board that has a straight edge and that your circular saw can actually glide over so it can't be too thick. For the base, I used a piece of 1/4 inch plywood that I had laying around. Make sure it's the same length or width as the straight edge piece. What you're going to do is nail and glue that to the top of the plywood, and then you're going to run your circular saw against that guide and cut the excess off. That'll give you a precise, exact straight edge that you can line up with your cut mark. Once everything's nailed and glued, I clamp it down. Then I take my circular saw and I cut the excess off so that way it creates a straight edge for me to line up to my cut mark. So the reason I created this door board was to cut down some stair treads I had and also the risers to the exact fit. As you know, stair treads and risers are not going to be square at the ends. That's why I use this method to make sure there are no gaps against the wall and to make sure that I cut exactly on the mark. Now you know how to make a door board, or as they call it, a poor man's track saw, saw guide, whatever you want to call it. Now you can make your own. If this video helped you today, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, tap the bell icon so you don't miss any more videos.